Welcome YouTube and fellow scale modelers to my channel, Extreme Underground Scale Models. Today will be What Did I Buy Wednesday, episode 4, brought to you by Joe from Big Sky Model Workshop. A couple videos ago, I talked about something that I got that I wasn't going to share, that I've seen a few people have, that I thought would be a good idea to invest in. So it finally came in, so I'm going to share with y'all what I got. Poker chips. I just thought this would be cool to take to shows and find a couple builds that I think were the best. So I'll show you the front and the back. I got these at pokerchips.com. You can design your own poker chips. You can have your own color, your own design, your own text. I think I paid $1 some a piece for these. I think I got 50, 60. I'm not sure. I'm not going to sit here and count them all, but here is the front. Try to get the glare off of it, but it is just my logo, and it says follow on YouTube. And then the back just has 2 thumbs up that says, now that's an extreme build. I guess I had to put that on there since the channel is Extreme Underground. But they feel like real poker chips. You can get solid lines, or you get this style. Then I think there's another style that's like this with another little line in it. I'm not sure. Like I said, you can change the color of these to whatever color you'd like, and then you can just take an image or your logo or whatever, and you can download it, and then you can get to where it fits inside, and then you can write your own text and actually make it curve around. This one here, this logo, this little 2 thumbs up I got from off the internet. So I downloaded it. So also with this, I'll give you a bench update. I'll get these out of the way. As you see, I finally got my tub done. Got my seats in there, some flocking. Zoom in a little better here. Here we go. Got my seats, got my tub done. Got the carpet done. Some flocking. Got my pedals in there, which are probably hard to see, but the pedals are in there. With some photo etch pedals to go over top of them. I finally got my truck primered, sanded. I still got to get underneath the hood, so I'm getting ready to do it next. And then lastly, I got my skull painted. It's white. I did put primer on it, but when I first painted it white with a brush, it seemed like it needed another coat. It didn't turn out too bad since it dried, but I'll probably put another one in it. But see if I can zoom in for you guys. I don't know how well you can see it. Well, guys, that's it for the 4th episode of What Did I Buy Wednesday. and a little bit of a model update, bench update. So next, I'm going to work on try to make a topper for the bed. And then pretty much be putting it all together. Got to get the exhaust done for the chassis. I'm going to try to knock that out. And I got Saturday off, obviously. So hopefully it'll be a good model weekend. Get some of this knocked out, put together. Tomorrow I will release my shop cards that I received and share my shop cards for Shop Card Share Saturday. Say that 3 times. It's something I'm going to do. I think I'm going to wait to do my shop cards like on a Saturday. So you can make it a shop card Saturday show and tell. So until then, guys, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you.